Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll unbox and review TCL 4K Ultra HD 55-inch LED. Its model is P725 and we have just bought it right now. The price of this LED is almost $650. So first of all we'll unbox this LED and then we'll review. So here is its first look without box. Now we'll remove the cover also, and here is our TCL 4K Ultra HD 55-inch LED. The model of this LED is P725, size is 55-inch. And now we'll talk about the specification of this LED. So this LED contains hand-free voice control, 4K Ultra HD, Android TV, includes Bluetooth, Chromecast built-in, TCL, AL TV, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Netflix, YouTube, HDR10, Dolby Audio and Dolby Vision. Also have built-in Wi-Fi and you can use Ethernet also if you want to use. So these are the specifications. Inside this LED box you will find warranty card, AV cable plus remote, and also you will get wall mounted to hang your LCD on the wall. Now we'll turn our LED and show you the internal specification. You can search anything on this LED by voice search, and also you can search via remote also. So first of all click on input. Here you will find in this LED TV, HDMI 1, 2, 3, AV, media player, Android TV home. So these are the inputs in this LED. At the top left side you will see the search by voice also. Now we'll click on apps and show you the built-in apps. So these are the built-in apps: Netflix, Prime Video, TCL channel, YouTube, Line TV and few more built-in apps in this LED. Now we'll connect this LED to Wi-Fi and show you the result of this LED. We'll connect to Technology Consultant and we'll enter the password. And here you can see we are successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Now we'll open YouTube and we'll search any 4K video and show you the 4K result of this LED. We'll search for 4K nature and we'll play this one. Once you will play the video, then you have to click on the up key from your remote, and here you will find two settings option. You have to click on these three dots and then from here you have to select the quality of the video, select 4K, and here you can see the 4K result. It seems like that you are watching this in reality. Now we'll show you LED details. We'll go to settings. We'll click on device preferences and then we'll click on about, and then we'll click on legal information, and then we'll click on open source license, and here you can see the Android version. This LED contains Android version 11 right now you can see. So overall this LED looks very pretty. If you have any kind of question about TCL 4K Ultra HD LED, you can comment below in the comment section. We'll answer all of your queries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.